Good morning, children. Continuing with simple machines. Here we are going to start with inclined plane. Okay, now what is inclined plane? It is simply a plane surface that is tilted or it is inclined to a horizontal. Okay, it is the simplest of all machines. And why is inclined plane used? It is used to move heavy loads easily by rolling or by sliding them along the inclined plane. If you lift them, what would happen? If you lift an heavy object, more effort is needed for that. Okay, so this inclined plane, it helps to lift up heavy loads by rolling or by sliding over them. Okay, now to understand this well, let us talk about few examples. You must have seen houses which are built at higher plinth. Okay, houses are built at higher plinth. Suppose this is the base of the house, this is the house, plinth of the house, and this is the ground level. Now if you need to lift a scooter or a bike, what will you do? You will lift it up from here to here. Is it possible? No. So ramp is built on this. This ramp is what? It is a slope. This slope is, or the ramp is known as the inclined plane. Okay, when drums or gas cylinders, they are loaded into or they are unloaded from the truck, they are pushed up or down the inclined plane, wooden inclined plane. This is the wooden inclined plane, and they are moved up and down this inclined plane. Okay, now what is this? This is a plank. Okay, this is a plank. These laborers who are engaged in loading and unloading the trucks or the railway wagons, they use these thick planks as temporary inclined plane. Okay, now what is the advantage of this? Why do they use it? They use it so that they can roll the object on it, and it is always easier to roll or slide an object than to lift it. If you lift the object, it will need more of energy, more of effort it is needed. Okay. Now, if you have to make these roads that are made to reach the top of the hill, if a straight road is made to reach the top of the hill, then vehicles will not be able to move up. Why? Because they will not be able to exert sufficient force to push themselves up that steep road, isn't it? So to make it easier, to make movement of vehicles easier, what is it done? This winding road is made. Suppose this is the hill, you will see winding road is made up the hill. Understood? So that vehicles can climb easily on it. Clear? This winding road is also an example of inclined plane. This playground slides, then flyovers that are built over roads, then in hospitals and housing societies and this few large post offices also, they have ramps for the movement of wheelchairs and loads. Clear? Clear with the examples? Then what is inclined plane? It is a rigid sloping surface over which heavy loads can be raised or lowered to a certain height or depth. Now, if the height is more, this vertical height is more, okay, then you will have a steeper inclined plane. The more steep the inclined plane is, the greater effect will be required to push up the load. Okay, and if the inclination of the plane is less, suppose we have this height, this is the vertical height, and the inclination of the plane is less. Okay, then less effort is needed to lift the load. But then the lesser the inclination, the larger will be the distance for which the load is to be moved to reach the destination. Right, your destination is here and you have to move a larger distance, but then if vertical height is more, then you have to move a lesser distance, but then larger effort will be required to push the load. So remember that the amount of push, it depends on the weight of the load. It depends on the weight of the load. The more the weight of the load, the more is the amount of push, and the steepness of the slope. The more steeper the slope, the greater the effort is required to push up the load. Clear? So this inclined plane, it acts as a machine because it helps us to do the same work by applying less effort. Okay, then what is the mechanical advantage of the inclined plane? The mechanical advantage of the inclined plane is the ratio of length of the plank. This is the length of the plank divided, or the inclined surface divided to the, the mechanical advantage is the ratio of the length of the plank, that is the inclined surface, to the vertical height. Okay, so mechanical advantage of the inclined plane is greater than 1, is always greater than 1, because this is length of the inclined surface will always be greater than this vertical height. So the inclined plane acts as what? It acts as force multiplier, because when mechanical advantage is greater than 1, it acts as force multipliers. When mechanical advantage is greater than 1, it acts as force multipliers. This means that it can be used to lift heavy loads with less effort. Clear? Another example of inclined plane is that workers, they use these wooden planks. These are wooden planks, okay? They use these wooden planks and as inclined planes in the construction of building. Wherever you see a construction of building, there you can see that wooden planks are used to carry the construction material up the building, okay?